Hi everyone, I'm Adam from How To. Let's start. The Move Tool play will lead you to a complete understand to know how to move objects the proper way and to organize them and to know all its hidden features. So let's start. Let's open Photoshop. I am using Photoshop CC 2020. Let's create a new project. I'll go with the width 1280 and the height will be 720 and the background will be transparent. Let's start. Today we will play with the Move tool. Okay, the Move tool is very powerful. So first of all we will add a picture. Okay, add a picture here. Okay, first of all, by holding Alt for Windows and Option for Mac, we can drag it and drop it. Let's remove that. Okay, great, really great. Okay, let's reduce the size by Ctrl T for Windows or by Command T for Mac and reduce it. Okay, great. Press enter just to remove it. Great. Now let's play with the Move tool. First of all, the Move tool, like you can say it is for moving objects, but it is for moving and organizing our area and everything about moving and organizing. So let's start. First of all, we will duplicate our layer so we got a lot of that boy by pressing Ctrl J. First of all, we say stay on our layer and press Ctrl J another time. So we got a lot of our boys here. That's a lot. Okay, great. Okay, we got those. As you can see, I can move them by just clicking on them. Okay, how is that possible? By auto selection tool, or we can just move the boy we are opening his layer. How? Just we select the layer and we will move, and the one his layer is selected will be the only one who is selected. Okay, but if we check the auto select button, we can select the one whatever he is in which layer. The Photoshop will directly choose the layer and we can select it, and we can also select more than one. In just one selection we can also select all of them, and when we press outside we can deselect what we have selected. Okay, great. Now what is the difference between the layer and group? Okay, first of all we will add two of the layers and press Ctrl G for Windows or Command G for Mac to make a group of two layers, and the rest are alone. Okay, we are now choosing the selection. Okay, for layers. Okay, so we can just select the layer we are choosing. Okay, but if we press here and choose the group, when we select, the group is selected and every layer is selected alone, but the group is selected together. So that's the difference between group selection and layer selection. But if we unmark the selection from the auto selection, we just move the layer we selected. If we select one from the group, it will be the only to select to be moved. But to move the group again without using the auto selection, we just click and choose the group as a whole and we can move them. Great. Now we'll check for the selection and to move them, but we will choose to move each and every layer separately. Okay. Now, what is the show transform control? That when we select a layer, it gives us the controller so we can resize it, we can do whatever we need. By just holding and selecting, we can see the transform controls. Okay, we select it, and now we will select the whole. Here we can organize our boys by, first of all, that's for the alignment and those for the distribution. First we will go with the vertical alignment. That will be vertical alignment in the top, and that will be in the bottom. By clicking here, all of them will be at the level of the maximum one in the top. That's to say, if we make them like that and just make that one at the top and select them all, they will go all to his position. Okay, great. In the opposite, if we select them all and choose at the bottom, they will go all to him. Okay, great. The third one, we got one here, got there. Okay, if we choose in the center, they will be at the center of their spaces. Okay, great. That's all about the alignment, which is the top and the bottom. Now we will go with the horizontal ones. Okay, now we will select them all and go with the left hand side alignment, so they will be all at the right, at the left. If we go with them like that and choose the right, they all will go to the right in the place of the maximum one. So if we do it like that and just grab that one here and choose, so they will be all at the space of the last one. Okay, great. If we choose the middle, they will be all at the middle, not the background, but the middle between their positions. Okay, let's make a distribution. So that distribution will distribute them vertically, so will be distributed vertically. Okay, press Ctrl Z to undo and select them all and make distribution horizontally. Okay, to make the spaces between them. So we'll undo by pressing Ctrl Z in Windows and Command Z in Mac, and we'll select them all and make horizontal alignment and make them like that. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.